Hello, today is September 2nd, 2017. I've been looking for a major high in this area. I thought it would start Friday, but I said the pattern's negativity would be invalidated if we gapped up and promptly took out this high, which we did. During the day, MEJT gave a sell signal. That's already paid off. There is a higher target, but it's an optional target. 24.80.15 has a 95% chance of printing when the market reopens on Tuesday, but when you're close to a major change in trend, the risk it'll fail goes up. We have positive and negative aspects of Friday's trade. We gapped up, hit a series of new highs, couldn't hold any of them. It's negative unless we gap up, promptly take out the high. We have a wall into the close, tends to lead to gapping up when the market reopens. It's positive, but it gets invalidated if we gap down under this low. So the most likely thing when the market reopens is that we gap outside of the day's range. Next most likely is we close a little change, have the big move on Wednesday. We've gone straight up this week. I thought the drop was going to start pretty soon. There are a number of things this week's move accomplished, though. For one thing, it took out the ultimate MEJT target in the 24.74 area. Taking out the higher target removes an obstacle to a sustained drop. We still have to get this number to print at some point. The major hypothesis is that we've topped out in early August. This leg and this leg can only be counted as threes. That means this whole move is an ABC and it's a gray wave B. I know everyone else has this as a 5-wave pattern. It just doesn't fit. Todd Gordon used to have this as a 3-wave pattern too. He switched to a 5-wave right before the high. And one of the signals of a high is that nobody agrees with you. Nobody agrees with me on the count, but I think it's the right one. The Fibonacci targets of the count identified the closing price within 2 points and the high price within 1 point. As far as I'm concerned, that's the high, unless it's proven otherwise. We've had a good rally, and we topped out at a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation. You'll see that all these gaps in the prior consolidation all occupy the same space, and it indicates the move is likely complete. Here's our friend the Andrews pitchfork, and you'll see that the late move on Friday took us on the negative side of the midline. This rally attempt over the midline appears to have failed. Here are the DeMark sell signals right at the high of the 30-minute chart, bar 13 of the combo cell, bar 13 of the sequential cell. Here's a 65-minute chart. The last 3 bars don't have to obey all the rules, and there's a sequential cell there as well. This was my old count. I have to get rid of it because we took out this high. But as long as all you have to change is the last leg, the main idea remains legitimate. Let's look at this adjustment. We still have this wave 1 and wave A. All we have to do is see if we've had a B and a C. Well, if this is wave 1, you can see that a 78.6% retracement is right over here. If this is wave black C, you can see how wave black A is a Fibonacci percentage of it, and if this is wave green C, and you compare it to green A, it's really right on the nose. Now, I'm not really a big fan of Fibonacci when it comes to time. I don't think it works as well as it does with price. But if you take wave 1 and you extend it to 423.6%, there's the peak right over there. So we have the September 4th date. It's Labor Day, so it means either Friday or Tuesday. We have the date, we have the Fibonacci time, the Fibonacci price, the wave count, we have the DeMark sell signals, we have the target of the prior consolidation. My suspicion is that this high is going to hold, and we're going to start wave 3 down. As usual, if I'm wrong, it'll be obvious by having this gap up at the open and promptly take out this high. This looks like a peak to me. It looks like a big drop is going to start. However, because of the wall into the close, it's possible we gap up first. Tuesday's pattern should be the one with the early high, but that doesn't preclude gapping down first, and that wouldn't surprise me to leave an island reversal here. But regardless of what happens at the open, I think that's going to hold, and we're going down, and that's today's call.